It appears that virtually no one is aware of the fact that you can make $200 every day simply by utilizing Google Maps. Therefore, we're going to teach you precisely how to do so in this video. This is a really insane method. There is relatively little competition. Furthermore, the earning potential that you may have from this is very enormous. All you need to know to get started with is to watch this video. Yes, that's right. We will be showing you step by step on how you can earn money by using Google Maps. You don't need any money. This is completely free. No initial payments or monthly subscriptions are needed. This method is worldwide, meaning anyone from anywhere can start this method right away. And most of all, you don't need any prior experience or expertise. Even beginners can do this. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. In this video, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step process of how you can earn at least $200 every single day just by using Google Maps. We know that seems strange, but don't worry because in this video, we'll not only demonstrate that this works, but we'll also show you exactly how you can go out there and start applying it for yourself in order to receive the massive rewards that we're talking about. As we have said previously, based on what we've observed on the internet, it appears like practically no one is talking about this. As a result, there is extremely little rivalry for this method at the moment, making it incredibly simple to implement. Throughout this video, we'll also show you some more strategies that you can use to build your business and earn even more money while doing so. Watch this video carefully to learn more. So make sure you don't skip ahead at any time in this video since you can lose out on some important information. You should start by downloading Google Chrome, which I'm confident that 99.9% of you are already using right now. If not, then just quick Google search on any browser and just download it for free. You must go out and download Google Chrome since it makes it much easier to begin utilizing Google Maps after you have done so. The next step is heading over here to Google Maps, and what you need to be searching for are businesses that provide a service. This category includes businesses such as dentists, gymnasiums, and restaurants that provide services to their consumers. Also, the location of your search does not have to be close to you. For example, if I'm in China, I can just look up restaurants near Denver, which is in the United States. All of the red points on the map represent restaurants in the surrounding area. Consequently, if we just scroll down the list and click on a couple of these, we will be presented with all of the information about this restaurant. For example, this one. This is not the type of business that we are looking for because if you look at this section, you can see that they already claimed the business. All information are presented here and they have tons of reviews. This does not fit our criteria. When we look at these restaurants, it appears that they are already rather well optimized for Google. So let's do another search. Let's say we search for dental clinics. And take note that you can search for any dental clinics in the world. The choice is yours. Let's take a look at these ones if these dental clinics fit our criteria. If we look at this dental clinic right here, we can see that this fits our criteria and we will explain to you why. As we can see here, this clinic has either no or very low ratings and reviews, which is number 1. Then we want to look for a little label right here that says claim the business. These are the two things that we will be looking for in businesses on Google Maps. So on to the next step, we want to know the top dental clinics on that area that we have searched earlier on Google Maps. For example, we picked a dental clinic that is located in Colorado. Then we search for dental clinics in Colorado and look at the top search results. As we can see, the clinic that we have picked earlier is not in the top searches of clinics in this area. So what we're going to do today is help these businesses have a higher ranking on Google. So if we simply come in and make a few little changes to their profile, we can propel them not only into the top 20 but also in the top 3 search results over here. This implies that because their business is not ranked higher on Google, they will receive many more sales and we will be rewarded for the service that we have provided for them. For that, we're going to lay out exactly how we can provide a service and get them ranked in Google's top 3. However, before we can begin selling our service to this company, we must first make contact with them. This may appear to be a little difficult at first, but we assure you that it is in fact rather simple. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. The first way you can do this is to contact them through their cell phone or telephone number. Now, looking at their details, we can see that they do not have a website, which is a great opportunity for you. You can call them, tell them that you can help their business ranking higher on Google search, and in addition, offer to create a website for them. If you don't want to get on the phone or do not know how to develop a website, that's perfectly fine. We'll locate another business that does and show you how to accomplish it. For example, we target this dental clinic. This clinic has low ratings and has a Claim This Business label, so they aren't taking advantages of Google search engine optimization. As if that wasn't enough, they also have an email address on their website. As an alternative, if you don't want to get on the phone, we just use their email address and contact them to pitch your services. So what you can tell them is that you want to help them grow their business on Google. You can take a screenshot of the top results of dental clinics and attach it to the email and let them know that their clinic is not on the top searches. You can also send an image of the Claim This Business label on the information of their clinic and also let them know that their business is not optimized for Google. Lastly, just tell them that you can optimize their website for them, which will result for them getting more sales and leads. Just make sure that your email is eye-catching. So how are you going to optimize their Google rankings? Actually, it's rather easy. That being said, despite the fact that this is a straightforward process, many business owners lack the requisite technological expertise. This is particularly true with dental clinics. So what you can do is you can actually fill in the missing information on this section. You can also claim the business and set up opening and closing hours for this clinic. This will surely boost their rankings on top. Another way that you can do is to set up a Facebook profiles, Twitter profiles, and LinkedIn profiles for them. The best part is you don't have to do anything. What you can do is go to Fiverr and search for a freelancer who does these things. So if we go to Fiverr website and search for Claim Google My Business, we can see a bunch of freelancers who can do this service for a small amount. Prices from anywhere around $5 to $35, and this is pretty cheap. You can charge your client, for example, $100, then you can just hire a freelancer for, let's say, $10. You have $90 profit immediately, and you don't have to do anything. This is what we call drop servicing, and it's completely legal. You don't have to spend your own money because the money that you'll be using to pay the freelancer is the client's money. As a result, you can focus on discovering new businesses, clients, and customers rather than wasting your time on this. You can even go out and explore businesses in other cities to get a broad sense of what works best. This is super simple and easy to do, and it will not make you a millionaire, no, but it will help you get extra income for your daily needs. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.